Well, you know, when it floods on Fort Myers Beach, things can go bad very quickly. You're looking at video from Hurricane Helene storm surge, which didn't even hit the island directly like Ian did. You can see the Gulf still came out of the Gulf and covered roads here, threatening homes. People living on the island have turned to flood panels to keep water out of their homes, but now the town says those panels gotta go. Gulf Coast News reporter Nayla Grandpierre explains why these devices meant to protect your home could actually end up hurting more than they help.
Steve Johnson has seen the storms and hurricanes that come across Fort Myers Beach. He says he's glad he decided not to get flood panels to protect his home during storms.
So you can imagine if that was actually completely boarded up, I imagine it's a possibility that we'd lose the entire wall of the home.
Now there's no choice. The town of Fort Myers Beach will no longer issue permits for flood panels or the fixed planks attached with metal to garages and porches. It's all to stay in line with FEMA rules.
You might think flood panels would be the way to go to keep water out of your home during a storm, especially here on Fort Myers Beach, where water rose 15 feet during Ian. However, the barriers could cause even more damage and make it harder for you to get out.
If the water surge is at a point where the water goes over those barriers, it can become a life, health, safety issue for anybody who's inside the home. The water pressure can become so great against those flood panels or anything that's attached to the foundation or the structure of the home. It could cause the home to come off the foundation and become debris.
The town also says they will take care of any permits that were issued in the past improperly, and if you have one, you're encouraged to reach out to the town.
I want the people to come forward and talk to us about finding a way into compliance. My goal is not to issue violations. We're not going to collect any money off fines.
I think the town is doing the right thing, that they're pursuing this and ensuring that, again, that we're as compliant as possible.
On Fort Myers Beach, Nayla Grandpierre, Gulf Coast News.